Seeds of Wisdom RV and Economic Updates Tuesday afternoon, April 15, 25. Listen to the full version on the official dinarreport.com website and become our supporter on Patreon. Good afternoon. Dinar recaps, crypto news. Trump plans to buy Bitcoin with global tariff revenue. Black small squared Trump administration may use tariff revenue to buy Bitcoin, giving crypto investors fresh hope worldwide. Trump wants strategies to buy more Bitcoin without adding any extra cost for U.S. taxpayers. Black small square Bitcoin jumps 15%, trades above $85,000, and could soon hit the $90,000 resistance level. As global tariff tensions heat up and financial markets stay shaky, crypto investors have found a surprising silver lining. The Trump administration has announced plans to use money collected from tariffs to buy Bitcoin. Yes, you read that right. With Bitcoin already down 25% from its recent high, the timing has caught everyone's attention. Is the US government really preparing to buy the dip? Here's what's unfolding, and why it could shake up both politics and crypto. Strategic crypto reserve in the making. Last month, President Donald Trump signed an executive order to create a strategic cryptocurrency reserve. The plan involves using digital tokens the government already owns and finding new ways to expand those holdings. Trump has asked the Commerce and Treasury secretaries to come up with budget-neutral strategies, meaning the government can buy more Bitcoin without adding to the national debt or raising taxes. One idea being discussed in the White House is using tariff revenue to fund Bitcoin purchases. This would allow the U.S. to build its crypto reserves without borrowing money or asking more from taxpayers. While still in the planning stage, this move shows that the government is open to fresh ideas about managing public funds. Lummis pushes the Bitcoin Act of 2025. Senator Cynthia Lummis is also stepping in with her proposal, the Bitcoin Act of 2025. She wants to revalue U.S. gold certificates, which are currently worth less than the real price of gold. Adjusting their value could free up extra funds that the government could use to buy Bitcoin and strengthen its crypto holdings. Bitcoin aims for $90,000. Bitcoin is showing strength again after bouncing back from a recent dip. The price has jumped by 15% and is now trading around $85,350, with its market cap rising to $169 trillion. Right now, Bitcoin is holding above $84,000 and staying strong above the 100-hour simple moving average. A rising trend line is also forming, with support around $85,200, suggesting buyers are still in control. Looking ahead, Bitcoin faces resistance near $85,800, with the next major barrier at $87,200. If it breaks through these levels, the price could continue climbing, possibly reaching the $90,000 mark in the coming days. BRICS. US dollar keeps falling as trade war fears grow. The growing geopolitical tensions have only intensified in recent weeks amid the United States' new Liberation Day tariff plan. Although it has been scaled back in a myriad of ways, the nation's currency appears to be paying the price. In an interesting turn for the BRICS bloc, the US dollar has fallen again as trade fears grow. Interestingly, U.S. President Donald Trump had previously threatened the alliance with 150% tariffs due to their de-dollarization endeavors. The warning never actualized, but his stance on their policies was clear. Now, his efforts to balance trade for the nation have effectively done similar to the global reserve asset. U.S. dollar struggles as trade fears look to benefit BRICS bloc. It has been a rather concerning month for the global economy. U.S. President Trump has ushered in a strong America First policy in the form of his new tariff plan. Subsequently, it has seen continued concern over the potential for increased geopolitical tensions. As the United States and BRICS have continued their face-off, the U.S. dollar has continued to fall amid trade war concerns. Although it edged a bit higher on Monday, it approached the midway point of April. Reaching a three-year low against the euro and Japanese yen, it approached oversold territory in its metrics and therefore, jumped slightly. Yet, it is still in a concerning position. Investors have shown they are wary of the greenback with tariff turmoil still abounding. This is increasingly interesting when it comes to the BRICS bloc, as they have been the face of increased de-dollarization and gold buying. Subsequently, the latter has reached record highs above $3,200 this year. The uncertainty is now at an intolerable level for most businesses in international trade. Adam Button of Forex Live told Reuters, "Right now, the market is taking a dim view of future U.S. growth. And that has come through most clearly in the currency market. Where this goes will be interesting, considering how important the dollar's status was to President Trump when he was first elected in late 2024. Listen to the full version on the official dinarreport.com website and become our supporter on Patreon. Source: dinarrecaps.com